Story 6.3. And so right now on your Math Story tab for day 2, it should have a picture, a link that has a picture of a bowl of apples. So right now I want you to click on that link and I want you to look at that bowl of apples. Got it? Okay, so I want you to look at that bowl of apples and I want you to think of a notice. And we know a notice is something that you see. So look at the bowl of apples and I want you to come up with a notice. You got it? Okay, if there's someone sitting with you, tell them what you notice. What do you notice about that bowl of apples? If nobody's sitting with you, you just say a notice, just like you would do in school. Okay, great. Now I want you to look again at that bowl of apples and I want you to come up with a wonder. And we know that a wonder is what? A question. You got your question? If there's somebody sitting with you, let them know what your question is. Okay, great. Now I want you to close your eyes and I want you to visualize that bowl of apples. Close your eyes and visualize as I tell you the story. And we know we visualize so that it helps us to understand our problem better. So as I read the story, you're going to close your eyes and you're going to visualize our problem. Our problem says Amarion put 6 red apples and 10 green apples in his basket. Now I don't know what your Amarion looks like in your head. It might look like the Amarion in our class or it might not. But I know that every one of you have Amarion in your head. And you see Amarion. Amarion put 6 red apples and 10 green apples in his basket. And now I'm going to ask you the question. How many apples does he have now? How many apples does he have now? And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to circle, I've already did it, the magic numbers, 6 and 10, because those are the numbers we're working with. And right now I'm going to say our I can statement. I can identify teen numbers. I can solve real world problems using teen numbers. So that's what we're doing. We're solving real world problems using teen numbers. And so our problem says Amarion put 6 red apples and 10 green apples in his basket. How many apples does he have now? And so this area, we always show our work. And I always say that we all think differently. We all process stuff differently. And so you have to do what makes sense to you. So your work might be circles. And so in your mind, if you could solve your problem better by using circles, then you would use circles. So I put circles here. And so I would put 6 circles because our first number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because I know this is a put together problem, I know nothing left, but I do know more apples came. So I know that I would use an addition symbol. So I have 6 apples plus 10 more apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equals 16. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our sum is 16, and 16 is a teen number. Some of you may have put 10 in your head using the squish and count method. So in that case, in your workspace, you would draw a picture of you with a 10 in your head, and then you would count on from that. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That would be your work you would show. And then others may use count on. You might just start at 10. I started at 10 because 10 is faster. It's faster to count from 10 than it is from 6. So I always use the larger number. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I still get the same sum. And then others would probably use the numbers in the order that they came in our problem, which is totally fine. And in that case, you would start at 6, and then you would add on 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Either way, we all get the same sum. And so our answer would be 16. And so you write your 16 where the answer is. And then it's time to write your number sentence. So the number sentence would be 6 plus 10 equals 16. Again, our teen number is I can solve real world problems that have sums of sums from a team number. I don't know. I got a little confused on that, but you guys know we've been working with team numbers for at least a week. So we can solve problems using team numbers. All right. Thank you, and have a nice evening.